Hello and welcome to another piano tutorial where I walk you through the primer level lesson book in the Piano Adventure series by Faber. What a fantastic series, and this is the second edition, though yours might be a little bit different. I have seen them make some changes and keep the edition the same. If you want to help the channel, then just like and subscribe and share the video. That helps a lot. We're going to talk about the last song in this book where you play on the black notes only. Nope, try that again. Not the black notes, the white notes, but not on the grand staff, because pretty soon we're about to get all those lines and clefs and things where we have the grand staff. So we're using the white notes. Okay, this is called Alouette. I believe that's how you pronounce it. That's how I've heard it all my life. Now let me play through the song. It's back in our C 5-finger scale. So we have C, D, E, F, and G under our fingers. All right, here we go. This is middle C on my piano. 2, 3. 2, 2. 2. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. You can hear me counting to myself, and that's on purpose. I want you to hear how you might approach the song, counting the beats of the half notes and dotted half notes and whole notes as you play. I think it works great. Almost all the notes are for your right hand. There's only one note for your left hand here. I still wouldn't play like this though. I would play with my hand in this position, because when we're playing bigger pieces, we're not going to play like this away from the piano and only 1 or 2 fingers at a time. You always have all your fingers ready to go. Okay. The other thing is, while we've been playing a lot of repeated notes and stepping, where we play just the next note beside the one we're already playing, now we have a skipping note where we play from an E, skip over the D, and play a C. That's at the end of both lines. It says skip over D in the book. Then you'll play your G. It says LH, that's left hand. The dynamic's the same the whole piece. It's mezzo forte. And then the last thing to note is that the top line and bottom line are almost exactly the same. So once you learn the top line, the only difference is that this is a half note the first time followed by a half note G, and the second time we just end on the C and play it for 4 beats. Okay, I think that's enough to get you started. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Good luck and have fun.